Mama's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe, like all my other recipes, is a super simple recipe with very few ingredients, and the end result is super delicious. I'm sure you're going to love it and you'll want to make it all the time. So let's just head on to my kitchen and start with today's recipe, guys. So guys, let's start making this beautiful masala potato rice. Now here I've taken 1.5 cups of rice. You can use any rice. Just wash it well and then soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that I'm going to boil just double the quantity of water. So I've taken 1.5 cup of rice. I've taken 3 cups of water. I'm going to bring this water to a boil, and then I'm going to drain out the water from the rice and add the rice to this boiling water. We're going to cook the rice till it is just a little bit undercooked, or you can call that parboiled. It should be just a little bit, undercooked. And then we're going to put it onto a sieve or a strainer and drain out all the excess water. So that's our rice ready. Let it come to room temperature. Now let me take you through the other ingredients. This is 1 medium-sized onion chopped fine, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 1 light green chilli chopped fine. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some salt to taste, half a teaspoon of hing, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of garam masala, and some coriander and some lime juice. Now I've just soaked the coriander in some water, to which I've added some salt for about 5 minutes. Now I've taken 1 large potato, washed it well, peeled it and cut it into these small cubes, and I'm just going to fry these cubes till they're nice and golden brown. Once that is done, I'm going to take them out and keep them in a bowl separately. Now to the same oil, I'm going to be adding the other ingredients. I'm going to start with mustard seeds. So this is half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. All ingredients will be in the description box below with their exact measurements. Now I've added half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. To that I'm going to add some green chilies. I'm going to add up the chopped up garlic. And let the garlic and the chilies really fry well. Now I'm going to add my onion. And I'm going to saute everything till the onions become a little bit translucent. Now that my onions are translucent, we've got to fry the onions well. We're going to add our hing, haldi, both are half a teaspoon. Haldi is turmeric powder. Like I said, all ingredients will be in the description box below with the entire recipe, so don't worry about it. Next I'm going to add my chili powder. Now you can adjust the chili powder as per what you like, how spicy you like it. Then goes in my coriander powder. I've added about a tablespoon of coriander powder. This is just coriander seeds. I've just roasted them lightly and then ground them to a powder. Now I'm going to add my bhaji masala. Now if you don't have bhaji masala, you can add garam masala, but this is about 1 tablespoon of bhaji masala. Now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to mix everything really well together. Cook it for about 2 minutes with the lid on. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Again, give everything a good mix. Now I'm going to add in my fried potatoes. We can also add green peas at this point. And mix everything well and just garnish it with some lovely coriander, chopped up coriander. And I'm just going to put some lovely lemon juice on top. And after I turn off the heat, and then just mix everything, and our dish is all ready to serve. I hope you like today's recipe and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below as to how you like today's recipe. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. It's completely free and it's just below this video. Just hit it. Once you click the subscribe button, a little bell will show up. Click that bell. That way whenever I put up a video, you get a message for the same. Also on the bell notification, press all. That way whenever I put up a video, you will come to know and you won't miss out my recipes. So guys, you can find any of my recipes on YouTube by just typing the recipe and then typing Akshata's recipes. For example, if you're looking for, let's say, chicken biryani, so you put chicken biryani, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. Also at the end of the video, 2 boxes will slide up. Those are my recipes. If you're interested in watching, just click on them. Also in the middle of the video, something in white will come up suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to watch them, just click on them. You can follow me on Facebook, on Instagram. I have all my links below. Plus the entire recipe with all its exact measurements are down in the description box just below this video. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Take care of yourselves and be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. Take care. Bye.